Hello, I'm Mayor Phil Good with your weekly update. From today, Monday, May 6th through Friday, May 10th, from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m., at least one lane of traffic will be maintained in each direction along Prescott Lakes Parkway near the intersection of Sundog Ranch Road. I ask you to use the roundabout whenever access is restricted, and please remain alert and drive safely when traveling through the project area. A variety of roadwork projects continue on Willow Creek Road, consisting of pavement repair work and a micro-seal surface treatment. These projects are highly weather dependent. Schedules may change in the event of inclement weather. Once complete, the improvements will extend pavement life and significantly improve the road quality for Prescott motorists. If possible, please avoid Willow Creek Road during this road construction using alternate routes. If you must drive along Willow Creek Road, I recommend that you plan extra time to reach your destination. We appreciate your continued cooperation and understanding as this and other projects proceed. During the special study session held last week, Council discussed the ballot language for the proposed public safety transaction privilege tax. This is a tax that must be approved by the voters. We have determined that the wisest option is to place a proposed transaction privilege tax of 0.95%, 0.95, on the ballot, which will be effective as of April 1st, 2025. That tax will be reduced to 0.75%, 0.75, on December 31st, 2035. This tax structure will allow us to fund our capital needs for new fire departments and police stations quickly upfront and save the city about $38 million in financing costs. The remaining 0.75% will continue in perpetuity and will be used for funding of public safety services within the city of Prescott. It's important to remember that this revenue will not be sufficient as the sole source of all funds to support public safety services. The funds that currently come from the general fund will continue to be spent on public safety in addition to this new revenue. Finalized ballot language will be voted on by the council in an upcoming voting meeting. We have received many questions regarding recharge efforts for Watson and Willow Lakes. Last week I explained that by contract with Salt River Valley water users, also known as SRP, we are allowed to return up to 3,861 acre-feet of water to the aquifer by infiltration annually. We are only permitted to recharge the water between April 1st and November 30th of each year. We recognize that our lakes support recreation and tourism, as well as being a habitat for diverse wildlife populations. The experts and the consultants we employ help us to maintain a balance for the lakes as we stay within the confines of regulations and agreements. By the way, in case you're wondering, an acre-foot of water is equal to 325,851 gallons of water. Tomorrow, Tuesday, May 7th, will be the Roadshow for the Arizona Department of Environmental Quality, titled, What Happens After We Flush? How Wastewater Treatment Works. This presentation explores water's journey from flush to treatment and how protections for the environment and the health of our community are managed. This event is open to the community and all ages. It takes place at the Prescott Public Library in the Founders Suite at 4:15 p.m. Don't forget that the 90-day public appeal period is currently open for the updated flood maps, but it will close in the beginning of July. Please look up your property to see if it is in the remapped area and how it is affected. This can mean changes in your building and flood insurance requirements and premiums. See more information at the link below. We will be busy this week in City Hall. To begin with, there is a special study session for Council tomorrow, May 7th, starting at 1 p.m. This meeting will be a presentation and discussion regarding land acquisition around the Prescott Regional Airport. Other meetings that take place this week are a Council subcommittee meeting on water issues at 9:30 a.m. tomorrow, Tuesday, May 7th, 2024. On Thursday, May 9th, there is a Planning and Zoning Commission meeting at 9 a.m. in council chambers. Also on Thursday, we will have our first budget workshop for fiscal year 2025. That meeting starts at 1 p.m., also in the council chambers. On Friday, May 10th at 9 a.m., the Prescott Preservation Commission will hold a study session regarding the proposed redevelopment of Old City Hall to review the initial plans for the project known as the Assembly at Old City Hall. The proposed redevelopment includes spaces for retail and a restaurant on the main level, with upper levels consisting of a hotel with 109 guest rooms, another restaurant, and conference meeting spaces. This is a study session only, so no action will be taken. I'm Mayor Felgett, and I'll update you again next week. Thank you so much for watching.